Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can register your Milwaukee Battery for warranty. So go to the milwaukeetool.eu and basically go to the service. Right here you will see that you can register a new tool, so click register. And basically right here you'll need to create an account and after that log into it. So I have my account and basically now I want to register a battery, so choose a battery. And right here, you'll need to select dealer country. Right here, you'll need to authorize sales network. So you'll need to enter a name, city, or zip code, and basically more information to that. So basically, there's 9 pages. You'll need to fill all those pages and you will be able to register your battery for warranty. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.